here I am at Target. Let's take a look at the dollar spot, guys. So look at these place cards. Aren't they beautiful, guys? It says welcome home. There you have napkins. Seaside bar. Look at this. So they have the holder over here. That's really nice. Down here are these paper. These are ceramic. Oh, I'm sorry, these are plastic. $5. So you get 4 for $5. That's nice. Seaside bar. Then you have that pillow. Look at that pillow, guys. $3. And then look at these carafes for $5. Awesome. Look, you have the corn cob holders. The lobster claws. Isn't that nice? And here's a banner. Here you have the towel blankets. Those are $5. Guys, do you see this basket? Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. That is so pretty. So over here, guys, you have these decoration hooks. And you have, what is that? The paper roll. Activity paper rolls. I think that's really neat, guys. Then you have these corner shelves. Okay, let's see what else. What is this right here? Canvas decor. There's the panda. Okay, now if we come over here, guys, we're going to see some sunglasses, and these are some pouches over here with the zipper. Those are $3. And then this hat here, I think that says $7. Yes. And then you have these bags over here, guys. So these are $3. Then you have this, oh, look at these bags. Aren't they nice, guys? A woven tote. Okay, those are $7. Then you have these bags here. They're insulated. They could be lunch bags. Those are $5. Then you have these. You have the hats on the bottom there. Those are $7. And these are the sand buckets. Those looks like that's $5. Then here you have your tech stuff. A little bit of intuition. Oh wow, and that's a yoga towel, a yoga mat towel, $5. And then what are these? Sweet mimosa oil diffusers. And look at these jars, guys. So nice. So then they have this the eye covers. What are these, guys? Watermelon extract. These are face masks for Mom's Day when we're making a basket. These are nice. And look at this, the basil and herb. This looks like wedding stuff. See, she said yes. And what is this one? Love is sweet. Oh, and look, they even have the marble back there. So here's the guest book. And then in here, they have that stuff down there, like the disposable champagne glasses. That's really cute, and I'm absolutely loving these trays. Then they have, I'm not sure what these are. Oh, these look like chalkboards. I work with chalk. That's nice. Okay, and then photo booth, guest book. Then they have the banners, but they also have this right here in the center. Isn't this adorable? So in love, all things grow with love. Thank you. I'm loving these. These make nice gifts. This looks like baby shower stuff. So look at the wooden spoon, guys. I saw this once before. That looks so nice. And baby in bloom. They're so cute. Look at that. The baby pins, the baby socks. Okay, so over here you have the watermelon bags and Go Wild. Then you have, I'm absolutely loving these bags. Aren't they nice, guys? And here's the polka dot ones. We have some more paper bags. We have some towels, beach towels. And those beach towels, is there a tag? There's no label either, so I'm not sure. So let's see. Then we have some more of those metal hooks. A balloon kit right over here. Look at these bags. There's a pineapple. Then you have some of these cups over here and paper plates. Then you have some more of these wafer ceramic containers, and then you have the double of the milk bottles. Isn't that nice? I think back there you have a picture, and then here these are ceramic, guys. They're nice. $5. And you have some swimming glasses. And you have some more totes here. What are these? This is a kickboard. Okay, so they have those, and here's the bird one. Okay. Then you just have some puzzle games and some books and some cards over here. What are these, Band-Aids? Yeah, those are adhesive Band-Aids. Then you have the side chalk, and there are the erasers and some more of these jumbo gel squishies. So you have different kind of those. Not sure what that is. That's a bear, and this is a fish. Doesn't that look like a red fish? Okay, and then they have this kind back here. That looks like a unicorn. Okay, and then you have some toy guns. Some more beach toys, guys. Okay, and you have some lanterns over here. Look at this. I love this. The felt food set. Isn't that adorable? Look, 2 avocados. I'm loving that. Okay, guys. So, all right, so you have some more totes on the bottom there and some more games along the top here. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Hillside Playground at the Target. And I'll see you guys in another video.